Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Rinna Beauty Lip product available. The Rinna Beauty Icon Lip Kit in the shade Pinky. This all-in-one lip kit promises everything you need for a complete and flawless lip look. It includes 3 essential products: a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a lip liner, all designed to work harmoniously together. First, let's talk about the packaging and design. The kit comes in a compact, sleek case that's easy to carry in your purse or makeup bag. The size is perfect for travel or on-the-go touch-ups. Each component has a modern and chic appearance, reflecting the quality of the product inside. The lipstick in this kit is called Slay All Day Lipstick. It delivers rich color with a creamy texture that glides on smoothly without feeling heavy or drying. Its formula is moisturizing and anti-aging, enriched with ingredients to nourish your lips while providing a long-lasting tint. The finish is glossy, but not overly shiny, giving your lips a healthy, hydrated look. Next, we have the Lil Extra Lip Liner. This liner is designed to complement the lipstick perfectly. It's smooth and easy to apply, allowing for precise definition around the lips. The liner helps prevent feathering and extends the wear of your lipstick, creating a polished and put-together effect. The shade Pinky offers a subtle contrast that blends well, enhancing the natural shape of your lips. Finally, the not-so-heavy Crown Lip Gloss completes the set. This gloss adds a luscious shine and extra moisture to your lips. Its texture is light and non-sticky, making it comfortable to wear throughout the day. Whether you apply it over the lipstick for a more dimensional look or wear it alone for a natural sheen, it adds that perfect finishing touch. What sets this kit apart is its clean beauty credentials. The entire collection is vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with modern beauty standards that prioritize ethical and sustainable products. The formulas are free from sulfates, parabens, phthalate, gluten, and are fragrance and flavor-free, making them suitable for sensitive skin types. The Rinna Beauty Icon Lip Kit in Pinky is designed for all skin types and offers a versatile, flattering shade that fits many looks, from everyday wear to special occasions. Its moisturizing and anti-aging properties also make it a great choice for those who want their makeup to care for their skin while enhancing their beauty. Overall, this kit provides a comprehensive lip solution with high-quality ingredients, stylish packaging, and an emphasis on clean beauty. Whether you're a beginner looking for a simple, effective lip kit or a makeup enthusiast who appreciates well-formulated products, the Rinna Beauty Icon Lip Kit in Pinky is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews and beauty insights. See you next time.